Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find companies with open jobs. This feature is very helpful in specific use cases. And one specific use case is when you are selling a service. So for example, if you or your client is selling a lead generation service, what you can do is to find companies na either looking for business development representatives or sales development representatives. Why? Because this is a clear signal na they are in need of leads. They are in need of more customers because they are hiring this type of people. So what you can do is to create a table or create a list of companies with hiring jobs. And to do that, select nyo lang tong option na to, find jobs. And from here, you can apply the required filter. So for example, I'm going to look for companies looking for sales development representative. All right. So these are all the companies that are looking for sales development representative. So another example is that if you are a web developer and you are looking for web development clients, so you can look for companies that are hiring for web developers. Okay. Yan. So, medyo matagal lang siya mag-provide ng output kasi what the tool is doing or what Clay is doing is that it's checking lahat ng mga available job posts on LinkedIn. Alright? So, LinkedIn ang source nito. So, ayan yung mga companies na looking for web developer. So, that's just an example. So, balik tayo dito sa sales development representative. Okay? So, let's say I would like to look for companies na located lang sa Australia. I can do that. I just need to add that filter. Okay? And pwede ko rin ilagay yung specific keyword. So, for example, if I would like to find companies na hiring for sales development representative and at the same time, marunong gumamit ng specific tools like Instantly, Apollo, pwede ko siyang ilagay dyan. So, ito mga nilagay kong names, these are tools. So, walang lumabas, zero import. So, try natin i-remove yung company filter or location filter. And let's see kung may mga lalabas na results. Okay. Alright. So, ayan, lumabas. So, ibig sabihin yan, these companies are looking for sales development representative na nasa job description nila na dapat marunong gumamit ng Instantly or Apollo. So, if I am someone na marunong gumamit ng Instantly at Apollo, I can reach out to decision makers from these companies and I can create a message saying something like, hey, I noticed that you are hiring for an SDR. I'm curious if you are open to working with an agency to streamline your lead generation process. We are also using Instantly and Apollo, which I believe is in the job description. So basically, I can customize the message based on the data that I have. So, ito yung power ng find jobs. Okay? And again, pwede ko pa yung in-narrow down by adding more filters. So, for example, gusto ko lang yung mga fresh job posts, pwede ko ilagay dyan. Recruiter, so pwede kong iselect yung mga may recruitment companies, pwede yan, alright? But I don't think that's relevant. Pwede ko rin iselect by full-time, part-time. So if I'm a contractor, then I would probably focus on finding jobs na open to contract agreement, not yung mga full-time or part-time na role. Kasi if I'm an agency, then chances are baka hindi sila open dito dahil nga full-time yung hinahanap nila. So this is the specific use case of find jobs on Clay, and I hope you will find this valuable on your prospecting journey.